Petro craft safety instructions to passengers before the voyage. To ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, insert the metal tag into the buckle and tighten by pulling on the loose end. To unfasten, simply lift up the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. You will be requested to fasten your seatbelt prior to the Petro craft's departure. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened during the voyage, even when the sea conditions are calm. The life jackets are located towards the far front of the seating cabin. To use it, take it out of the storage area and place it over your head. Pass the belt around your body and connect the buckle by pushing the two parts firmly together. Pull the belt end as tight as possible. For additional security, fasten the top buckle where possible. The life jacket is also fitted with a light and a whistle. In the unlikely event where the Petro craft has an emergency disembarkation, it will be clearly indicated by the crew, and you will be told to calmly transfer to the life rafts. The deployment instructions are located at the side of the rafts, and this is the crew's work. Do not attempt to take any actions without being instructed first. We will now explain how to leave the Petro craft in an emergency. The emergency exit used for an evacuation is at the aft. The crew will direct you there. Move quickly, taking nothing with you. To open the doors, pull the large handle in a clockwise direction. As you leave the craft, make sure that your life jacket is securely placed. We will now explain the boat landing rules. All passengers must wait for the signal of the AB, seaman or pilot before leaving the cabin during embarkation and disembarkation. The exit from the passenger cabin to the deck must be done in single file and in groups of 4 people without rushing. Once out of the cabin, the passengers must use the securing rope to guide through the boat deck to avoid slipping, stumbling, or be projected by the rocking and rolling effect of the waves against the Petro craft. Passengers on deck ready for disembarkation must wait for the order of the AB to move one by one and carefully follow the instructions of the seaman on how to proceed to the boat landing platform. In case of swell, the seaman will instruct the passenger to proceed to the boat landing platform when the Petro craft is at the top of the wave. All passengers will embark and disembark with both hands free and without any backpack. All luggage will be transferred from the Petro craft to the platform and vice versa by the sailor and the offshore installation HSE officer receiving or dispatching the Petro craft. Only pieces of hand luggage weighing less than 12 kilograms should be authorized to be transferred by this method. Baggage exceeding this weight shall be transferred by crane with the use of a basket. All embarking passengers on board the platform or quay should wait for the disembarkation of arriving passengers before commencing the embarkation. The Petro craft pilot, skipper, is responsible for the embarkation and safety of the passengers. Think of your neighbours when using the telephones. Take care your hand baggage is not blocking the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you. As we prepare for our voyage, please make sure that your seatbelt is tied. Finally, if you have any questions, please ask your crew. Petro Services hopes you have a relaxed and enjoyable voyage on this Petro craft.